Hi, good day. My name is Raul Fordyce, and we are at the Trinidad and Tobago Hospitality and Tourism Institute, better known as Hotel School. Today, we're going to make a simple dessert, a chocolate tart lined with whipped cream and topped with ice cream. The ice cream and the tart are infused with the tuna. So to start, we will make pastry cream, which will be used for the tart and the ice cream. So here we have 2 cups of milk, and we're going to add it to our saucepan. To this 2 cups of milk, we're going to add 2 ounces of sugar, and we're going to place this on a medium heat and let the sugar dissolve. Meanwhile, while the sugar is dissolving, we're going to make our thickening agent for both the pie and the ice cream. So what we're going to do, we're going to take 3 eggs, 1 of them whole, and then we're going to take 2 yolks. Alright, so now we are going to add the sugar and the cornstarch to our thickening agent, and we are just going to whisk it together. It's going to look like a bright yellow, something like this. And we are going to just whisk. So the next process is tempering this mixture. Tempering is really just bringing this cold mixture up to the temperature of the mixture that is on the stove. Alright, so after we made the pastry cream, we split it in 2, 1 for the tart, 1 for the ice cream. So now we are going to apply our Brunswick tuna to both base. So we're just going to put a little bit into the 1 for the tart, a little bit into the 1 for the ice cream. I'm going to take my spoon and make sure that there is a little tuna in both. Going to mix it together. And we're going to start with the tart. So our tart is a chocolate tart. So what we have here is some unsweetened chocolate that we are going to add in, about 2 ounces. It's nice, all the chocolate has melted, and we're just going to add some vanilla essence, about 2 teaspoons, and here you have it. Your filling for your tart is finished. So to our ice cream, we're going to add the rest of vanilla essence. We're going to add some powdered coconut, about 2 ounces of cream cheese. Alright, so now we are on to the second part of our dessert. What we are simply going to do is make the pie shell for our tart. Now we have our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients. I'm going to start with our dry ingredients today. We have approximately 12 ounces of flour inside here, and we have 6 ounces of butter that we are going to add to this. So we're just using our fingertips. It's important that we use our fingertips only because we want to keep the temperature of this dough intact and the palms of our hand carry heat. Alright, so now on to our wet ingredients. We have 1 egg. We're going to add a little bit of our vanilla essence and 0.26 ounces of water, and we're just going to whisk it together. Now this is not actually accurate, so if you want you can add a little more water depending on how your dough may be coming along. So what you're going to do, you're going to add this across here to our dry ingredients and bring it together. Now that it forms a nice little sticky ball, we're going to get a little flour, put it on our surface and knead it together. We're going to carry this to the oven. We're going to bake it at the 375 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, the ice cream is in the churner, and the churning process is basically just getting the ice cream to smoothen out while it increases in volume. So this is our final product here, our tuna tartlet topped with whipped cream and ice cream and served with a cookie, all done with Brunswick tuna.